Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Have fun reading.
Teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons. Join us in the fun. Little Angel Reader. Hello, Max. You look funny. Do you want to look funny today like Mr. Funny? Can you make a funny face? That's really funny. Today we are doing lesson 7. Max, you're going to learn a new sound today. Okay, stop being funny. Look at this book. Franklin has a sleepover. Max, can you show me in Franklin, in the name Franklin, the turtle? You ready to show Hello? Where's You know What sound is it?
Franklin goes to sleep.
Franklin has a sleepover. Lesson 7. Alright, Max, look at this sound. We always have to say this sound fast, okay? My turn to say it fast. T. My turn to say it fast again. T. Now your turn. Say it fast. T. 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 Okay, well done. All right, Max. You're going to say sound slowly. Then you're going to say them fast, okay? Touch this sound. Can you say it slowly first? E. Can you say it fast? E. Well done. How about this one? Touch under this sound. Say it fast. Say it slowly.
F.
This one. Say it slowly. Now say it fast. Okay. How about this one?
F.
Yeah. We're saying the sounds first. Max, how about this sound? Say it slowly.
M.
Now say it fast.
M.
How about this one? Slowly.
B.
What? It's Okay. Can you say it fast? Okay. Now let's do some rhyming. Max, I'm going to rhyme. We're going to rhyme with S, okay? This is the sound I'm going to start with. S. Can you say S? S. Well done. S.
S.
S. Okay. I'm going to rhyme with E. What am I going to rhyme with?
E.
Okay. C.
C.
Say it fast.
C.
C. I rhymed with E. Now I'm going to rhyme with at. What am I going to rhyme with? At. Okay. Sat. Sat. Say it fast. Set.
Set.
I rhymed with at. Set. Now I'm going to rhyme with eat. What am I going to rhyme with? Eat. Remember, we start with S sound. Seat. Say it fast.
Seat.
Seat. I rhymed with eat. Now I'm going to rhyme with een. And I will start with S, remember? What am I going to rhyme with? Een. Okay. Seen.
Seen.
Say it fast.
Seen.
Seen. I rhymed with een. Now it's your turn to rhyme, okay? With een. Can you rhyme with een? Start with S. Say seen. Okay, seen. You rhymed with een. Now your turn to rhyme with eat.
Eat.
Okay, start with S.
S.
Seat.
Seat.
Yeah, you rhymed with eat. Your turn to rhyme with at. Start with the S sound. Sat.
Sat.
Sat. Yeah, you rhymed with at. And the last one, your turn to rhyme with E. Okay, rhyming with E. Say see. Hello, wake up. See. Say see.
See.
See. Well done. Max, it's your turn to say the word slowly. Say feet.
Feet.
Okay, say meat.
Meat.
Say sat.
Sat.
Seen.
Seen.
Well done. And now, Max, we're gonna do some sounds review. Let's do sounds again, okay? See if you remember all of them. Get ready. Touch the first sound and say it. What is it? M. Well done. How about this one? That's a new one. T. Remember, it's always fast. T. How about this one? This one is And this one, do you remember this sound? Well done. And this one is E. E. Did you forget E? Okay, Max, where's T? Point. Where's T?
T.
Okay, where's A? A. Where's E?
E.
E. Where's M?
M.
S.
S.
Okay, well done. Max, say am.
M.
Say it fast.
M.
Say run.
One.
Say it fast.
One.
Run. Say not.
Not.
Say it fast.
Not.
Not. Say feet.
Feet.
Say it fast.
Feet.
And the last one, say see.
See.
See. Say it fast.
See.
See. Well done. See the sounds. Okay, Max, you are going to touch under these sounds, okay, and say them. Here's what you're going to say. At. At. Can you touch under these sounds and say at? Touch under these sounds and say at.
At.
Okay, well done. Okay, now these sounds. Eat. Eat. All right, Max. M. This is the first. Meat. Meat. Yeah, well done. Can you find eat? Find eat here. Where's eat? Touch. No, right here. Here, here, or here. Where's eat? Meat. Find eat, Max.
Eat.
Where's eat?
Eat.
Eat. Where's at?
At.
At. Well done. And where's meat?
Meat.
Meat. Touch m in meat. Max, where's m? M. Where's e? Eat.
T.
Now read it together. Meat. You're so smart. You read meat. Well done.
I gotta read.
You will.
Books.
Yeah, you're gonna read books soon. Well done, Max. I'm going to rhyme. And this is the sound I'm going to start with. Okay, get ready to say the sound. Can you say the sound? You know the sound. This one. M. Okay, I'm going to rhyme with E. What am I going to rhyme with? E. Look. Me. Me. Say it fast.
Me.
Me. Now I'm going to rhyme with at. Look, I will start with this sound. Mat. Mat. Okay, say it fast.
Mat.
Mat. And the last one. It's your turn to rhyme with een. Start with m. Mean. Mean. Say it fast.
Mean.
Mean. Okay. Max, here's the first sound that you're going to write. We'll start with a vertical line and add another little line at the top, right there. It's T. See, this is our new sound. T. Can you write it with a finger? Do you want to write it with your finger?
Okay.
Let's write T. Not with a stick, with your finger. Is it T? Are you writing T? What are you drawing?
E.
Oh, let's make it longer. That's a huge E, Max. It does look like an E. Wow. Let's write it together. Let's write it smaller. You wanted to write E like this?
Big.
This is E.
I did it like this.
Yeah. How about T? Like this and like this. See? It's T. Now, let's see if you remember how to write M. Wait, M. Remember? Can you try with your fingers, maybe? Try your finger or your stick. Here, let me help you first. Vertical line, remember, then add one hump and then another hump. That's M. That's a nice M. You want to do it by yourself?
No, with my finger.
With your finger. Okay. Right with your finger. That's a nice M. Max, what sound is it?
T.
T.
Telephone.
Telephone, you're right. T. Towel. Max, can you show me T?
T.
T. T. T. Say T. And buttons. T. See buttons. Yep.
T.
T. Can you please show me E? Our new sound. E. Pete the cat.
T.
How about T? How about T, Max?
And T.
Thank you for learning with us today. Don't miss our next lessons.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.